Hi guys, welcome back. I'm coming on today to do a layout for Challenge Accepted with my pal Scrappy Kathy. And all January long, we have been working with Scrap Squad's scrap sketches. And let me show you the one we are working on today. It is fun. All right, so it's a whitish background. Great. It looks like some paint stripes, pattern paper stripes. I see a doily, which I have a destroyed doily, like way up here. Look at this poor thing. Yeah, we'll bring it in. I see some stars, and for the most part, then the design is on the diagonal. And we've got a photo here. This is like a black and white photo. Mine is printed in color. It's fine, not a big deal. Oh, and I see some messy thread, so we'll see if we bring that in as well. All right, so what I have, ooh, and look at, I see a flare, so I'll definitely bring in some of my Scrappin' Happy Studio flare. All right. Oh, look, there's even a little pop dot on there. Just riding shotgun. All right, so the collection I'm going to use is this Vicky Bouton Fernwood. I have this piece right here, which I'm going to do for my strip of pattern paper, and I'll probably map my photo in it as well. It's called Full Circle. Awesome. And actually, I can use some of these circles. I can detail cut them out. The background I'm going to use, it is called Fig Swirl, so I will get that into a 12 by 12 really quickly. And I want to paint the stripes with a Shimmerz paint. It's an Inklings, and it's called She Packs a Punch. And I have it right here. I went through my swatches, and it's this one right here. And look at the nice color match. So I think that's going to work really, really well. So I have that. The photo I'm going to use right here, this is my oldest daughter and the Nick, and they went to Sleeping Bear Dunes, and they did a big old hike. So I thought that would be awesome. The colors will work. And I have some outdoorsy stickers that I can use. I spilled. It's okay. It's a glass mat. I'll just go ahead and use that. And I have some titles too. I like right here. Actually, any of these titles will work. I'm going to put them to the side. What else do I have? I've used so much of this collection up, guys. Oh, I have this dimensional piece with the little mothy butterfly guy. I'll make sure to use that. I do have this, let's see. I have the word day, hello day. That doesn't work. Life day, you day, right here, day. Don't know if I'm going to be using that. I do like this, love this, and this camera. So I have that. And then, oh, but wait, I have some layering pieces I can use. So I think I'll use these with my photo. And I have this. So I have some pieces still to use. I've used a ton of this collection. The first thing I need to do, see how I have my mess, is I need to get my stripes painted on to my cardstock, like we saw in our inspiration piece. So I'm going to have to go hunt down a wide paintbrush. The last one I had, I kind of dried out. It was a problem. So let me hunt for that. I'm going to paint my 3 stripes down and get a strip of this gorgeous coral, which I will go trim really quickly too. I'll get a strip of this coral, which I think I want to scuff up some. There we go. That will be my strip. Awesome. I'll scuff it up. I'll map my photo with it, all that kind of stuff, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So I did go ahead. I have my mixed media all taken care of. I have my 3 stripes. I have splatty bits coming down on a diagonal. And I ended up using the same color splatty bits that I used in the stripes. I thought it would make it pretty. And you can see like the difference in colors, even using the same, which one is it? Inklings. She Packs a Punch. Like sometimes splatty bits are darker. You can get just a little bit more of the shimmer than if you paint with it. Pretty fun stuff. I do have myself a good time with it. I forgot to go ahead, and I'm sorry if you don't like the sound of this. I forgot to go ahead and scuff up my stripe. My pattern paper stripe. There we go. Let's find my favorite T-square ruler. And yes, I have a favorite. It's all true. I do. So there-ish is where I want it. We'll see what happens. So, like so. There we go. And you can see that I went with my bits. It's fine. Does not bother me at all. So I have got this poor tortured doily to get down. And let's see, about here. Awesome. Trying not to take any of this too seriously. I used this library card. I have a cut apart sheet here. This is a die cut piece here, and then just pattern papers. And I'd like to make this pretty darn straight. And my layers are not super straight, but I like when my photo is straight if possible. There we go. So now what I get to do for fun, because this stuff is just plain fun to me. Let me get my swatches put up. I want to look at all of my leftover bits that I have. I have this, I've got, oh, I'm dropping things. I've got my cute little buggies. I've got my title. So in our inspiration piece, there isn't like a strong BAM title, but I'm probably gonna have one. So I do like life and photos. And I like the word hello. So I'm gonna pop hello in just because, you know, I dig it. And let's see, come on, let's get hello. I think it would look good on the doily. Let's see. Maybe I'll have it popped up on some of the green. Oh, do you see this bit right here that I have to get out on the O? Come on. Will it stick to my hand like a nice little sticker bit? Nope. All right, come on. Come on, little guy. There we go. So I have the word hello. But I think I also want to do, ooh, I do like right here as well. Guys, what am I gonna do? If I have something I can, what about hello? See, that's right on his forehead. I can, if I pop this up, I can have this kind of be all a part of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep working on all of these little cluster bits because I want to try to use up lots from this collection and see how it goes. And also, guys, remember on this piece, I also have some circles. I think I want to cut them out next, but I want them to be, you know, fairly matchy, not matchy-matchy, but fairly matchy. So we can tell that this reads happiness is, which is fine. So I'm going to keep playing with this. I'm going to get some pieces cut out and layer them up, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So check-in time. I have some pieces that I have detail cut out. I didn't have a lot left to detail cut out because I've used so much of this kit because, you know, it's fun. So let's see, what can I do next? Under these floral bits, let's see if I can get just a little greenery sticking out, fine. And there's a little bit of a, you know, I think these stems are just slightly too long for what I want. Let me just bring that out. Same with this one, it's just a little too long because I don't have a super large floral cluster. There we go. Do I want to bring it out this way? There we go. So that's good. Now I've got some of these little stickers and they have these cute little shrooms on them. So we can have them kind of tucked in. Let's see. Let's see, because I know I want to use all of them. I want to use up these flowers. I know we can do it. And I like that I'm bringing this red tone here, there, and everywhere. It's very pretty. Okay, I can tuck that one in. So they're still going on the diagonal. Now I have these, they look like forget-me-nots. I don't know what they are. But I was thinking of tucking this one here. I have this one here, and then I can have this one have that dot of blue. And then I have these two pretty little stickers. Does it, I think that would be nice. And then where can we put this pretty little cluster? All right, right there. Awesome. So now I don't have a lot left that I can play with. I'm thinking of adding in whatever ones of these little puffy dots that I have left, just to keep that whole diagonal vibe going. Now, I have this one little gold circle. I mean, this one gold arrow. So I guess we can have that go on the hello. Hello. And then I can bring a little gold puffy down here. Still using up these little bits. Let's see. I can get one more little gold spot there. Cute. I think it's awesome how many of these little fun things we've used. All right, come on, I have one more. It's sliding. It is sliding. Oh, here's a green. And that, my friends, may be that. Let's see. Oh, I wanted to look to see if I have any flare that match from Scrappin Happy Studio. So I'm going to find some flare, pop them on, and I will show you the still shots in just a moment. Oh, and before I forget to tell you, I'll have Scrappy Kathy's link right down below as well. And I'll have links from, this is a kit I got from ScrapRoom, so I'll do that. I'll have a link for Shimmerz paints as well as Scrappin Happy Studio. Okay, I'm really going to sign off. Okay, have a great day, friends.